If you are sick of the chaos,
Utter chaos.
and clutter in your classroom, you are in the right spot. This week we're tackling organization, and I can teach you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. So far in this series, we went into our classroom and visualized our perfect space. We looked at our inventory and decided what we needed and what we didn't. Then we drew our classroom layout. We went in and laid it out just right. Today we want to now organize the space. So let's jump into our 3-step method to get your classroom organized. Step number 1 is to gather your bins. I love the bins like the one behind me. Perfect for small group materials or things that only I need to access. I don't want my students doing these little lids with the latches. But some of the things that I store student materials in is I love these plastic shoe boxes from Amazon, Target, Walmart, Dollar Store has some. The tip is don't spend a ton of money. Ask your friends and family. A lot of times people have extra bins or containers sitting around they no longer need. The more things you can get put in bins, the more organized your classroom will be. I also like to keep all of my papers in binders instead of folders. I felt that binders contain them easier. So I have a binder for each unit, for example, of math, phonics, and I can just pull it out and everything is there for me. Step 2 is label everything. So I have these really cute labels that I printed from our classroom setup pack, and I am putting them on every single box, whether it's materials for me or materials for students. I just think it makes it so easy to find everything I need with a label. So what should be put in these containers? I asked Team Lucky Little Learners, which is a team of veteran teachers, what did you all keep in your bins in your classroom? They had so many ideas. Math tools that students and you will use for whole group. Copies for next week. A sub bin is a great idea. Everything a substitute might need. I use emergency sub plans and I print them ahead of time and stock this bin completely full. That way if I'm ever sick or a child is sick at a moment's notice, I can run in and set that bin on my desk. Step 3 is keep like things together. And what I mean by that is you're going to keep all of your math materials in one cupboard, shelf, or section of the classroom, your reading materials in another section. That way, when you are looking for your place value blocks or a teammate comes in, hey, can I borrow your Unifix cubes today? You know exactly where they are. A place for everything and everything in its place is really a great motto. Here's some more pictures showing a classroom that is organized and ready. This might take a day or two, but it is so worth it because it will make your school year run efficiently and smooth. One last labeling tip is use a small piece of tape or a label maker or just type out a small strip of paper and put this on the front or the inside cupboard doors of each cupboard or shelf listing what's in there. It makes it so easy if you have a sub or if you are quickly looking for art supplies or anything like that. You can look at the cupboard door and see exactly what is in that cupboard. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy classroom organization tips and pictures. In the next video, we are going to talk everything classroom theme and how you can theme out your entire classroom in one day. See you next week.